Hello everyone, we are back with another video. This time we have a new kit for you. This is our latest launch Muscle BioAmp Blip, which is a single channel microbus compatible electromyography sensor for precise muscle signal recording. It allows you to add the EMG functionality into your projects at ease. For some of you who don't know, Microbus is a socket standard developed by MicroE which enables hundreds of clickboards to be connected to a microcontroller or a microprocessor. Now let's unbox this kit and see what is inside it. So first of all, you'll get Muscle BioAmp Blip, which looks like this. Then we get BioAmp cable V3, which is of 100 centimeter length. You also get a Muscle BioAmp band and 6 boxy gel electrodes. At the bottom of the kit, you'll get this guide so you can get started with the kit pretty easily. So basically there are two variants of the kit. The one we just showed you is the assembled Muscle BioAmp Blip, which comes with header pins and GST-PH connectors already assembled. Then you also get an option to get the unassembled Muscle BioAmp Blip kit, where you have to solder the header pins and GST-PH connector on your own. You may have noticed that there is this white patch on this sensor. So earlier the name of this sensor was Muscle BioAmp Click, but as Click is a registered trademark of MicroE, so we had to change the name to Muscle BioAmp Blip. Moving forward, let me tell you the ways in which you can use this sensor. The first and easiest way would be to directly connect the jumper cables on the header pins of Muscle BioAmp Blip. Connect the male to female jumper cables to 5V, ground and AN. Please note that there are two ground pins in Muscle BioAmp Blip, and specifically for version 0.1, one of the ground pin may not work for you. The second option would be to snap the Muscle BioAmp Blip on breadboard and then connect the male to male jumper cables to 5V, ground and AN. This would be convenient if you are already working on a prototype or a project on a breadboard and want to integrate the EMG functionality into it. Other options would be to connect it to any hardware which has Microbus port like Microbus Shuttle, Microbus Arduino Uno Click Shield, to name a few. Now let's connect Muscle BioAmp Blip to Arduino Uno R3. Connect 5V of Blip to 5V of Arduino Uno, ground to ground, and AN of Blip to A0 of Arduino Uno. We are connecting AN to analog pin A0 of Arduino Uno as we have set the input pin to A0 in the Arduino sketch. If you want to connect it to any other analog pin, then please change the input pin in Arduino sketch accordingly. Then connect the BioAmp cable V3 to Muscle BioAmp Blip via this GST-PH connector. Seems like most of the connections are already done. Now we will move forward to picking up the EMG signals from the skin surface. So first of all, we'll have to prepare the skin using NuPrep skin preparation gel. Take a small drop of gel and rub it on the skin surface where the electrodes would be placed, and wipe it with a wet wipe or an alcohol swab. Then snap the BioAmp cable on the gel electrodes. Place it as per the diagram shown on the screen. If you don't want to use these gel electrodes, then try recording the signals using Muscle BioAmp band. We have already recorded a detailed video on how to assemble and use it. You can find the link of the video in the description box below and somewhere on the top right corner. Now let's connect the Arduino Uno to the laptop using USB cable and open the Arduino IDE. If you don't have the Arduino IDE, make sure you are downloading the legacy version of Arduino IDE. For the code, visit our GitHub profile and search for Muscle BioAmp Arduino firmware. And copy paste either the EMG filter or EMG envelope code in the Arduino IDE. Right now we'll go with EMG envelope. Once the code is ready, then go to Tools and select the board to Arduino Uno and select the right COM port. Then click the upload button and wait for a few seconds. It says done uploading, which means everything is alright. Now again go to the tools and open the serial plotter. Make sure you set the baud rate to 115200. Finally, everything is good to go. You can now flex your arm in order to visualize the muscle signals on the laptop. You can find the link for the complete documentation on Muscle Biome Blip in the description box below. Subscribe to our channel Upside Down Labs for more such updates. See you in the next video. Bye bye.